Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I just wanted to do a quick video on shortwave listening conditions because I am really struggling. I was testing that new loop antenna, the G800, and I was getting different results every time I tested it. And here is the reason why. Look at the solar flux index, the A index, excuse me, the A index. It's at 23. We want it to be less than 5. And look at the history. This is the WM7D webpage, which I use quite often. Here is a table of the history of it for the past, I don't know, month or so. It goes back, it goes back way back. Okay, so here we are. This was the 13th, which was yesterday. It was 23. It's still a 23, a huge number. So you're going to typically get a lot of noise when the A index is high like this. And that's what I'm getting. And trying to do a ATS scan on my radios with this high noise level is just impossible. I did a scan earlier this morning, and I only got 3 signals using my new loop antenna. And I'm like, boy, this is terrible. I mean, the other day it was really good. Well, if I go back, okay, here it was down to 17. It was down to 49654. There is probably where I did my initial scan that the results were fantastic. So this is what's, I believe, and I'm no expert, but I believe this is what's really killing us as far as listening to shortwave right now. So we got to get this number back down. So I'm going to keep checking the A index and wait for it to come back down, and then test the both the radio and the antenna. I'm running another website on my other computer, which has a continuous update of the solar information and the band conditions. And like I'm looking at it right now, and the last update was today at 11:22 GMT. So just a few minutes ago. So, boy, I'm frustrated. And I got a new radio, new shortwave radio, really tiny shortwave radio I want to test, but I don't want to show it with these bad band conditions. So I'm going to hold off. I have another radio coming. I have a CC Crane radio coming. They were graciously nice to me and are going to send me one to review. So we're going to have to hold off and track this solar flux index, especially the A index, until it gets down. It's really not much. I mean, you could say, okay, let's test it for worst case conditions, which is what we got right now. But I don't want to test it under worst case conditions. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Now you can see the K index is behaving. It looks good. But with this 23A index, that's not good. Tell me what you think. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.